Welcome back to the channel. I'm sure you've heard the news. The world is changing rapidly. Every day, new technologies emerge, reshaping the way we live, work, and even how we think about money. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a futuristic concept confined to science fiction. It's a reality that's becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives. It's here, it's real, and it's revolutionizing how we earn. From automated trading systems to AI-driven financial advisors, the landscape of income generation is evolving. Passive income, the holy grail of financial freedom, is being reshaped by AI's transformative power. No longer do you need to be a financial expert to grow your wealth. Imagine a world where your money works for you, 24/7, powered by intelligent algorithms that make smart investment decisions. This isn't a distant dream, it's happening now. This is the promise of AI-driven passive income. With just a few taps on your smartphone, you can set up an automated system that grows your wealth while you sleep. AI is breaking down traditional barriers to entry, making wealth-building opportunities accessible to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a complete novice, AI tools can help you navigate the financial markets with ease. This isn't about replacing human effort, it's about amplifying it. AI enhances our capabilities, allowing us to achieve more than we ever thought possible. AI empowers us with tools and technologies that automate tasks, optimize strategies, and unlock new avenues for generating wealth. It's like having a personal financial advisor that's always working for you. The future of passive income is here, and it's intelligent, automated, and accessible to all. Embrace the change and let AI guide you to financial freedom. The financial markets are complex, volatile, and unforgiving. Navigating this intricate web of numbers, trends, and economic indicators requires not just skill, but also a keen sense of timing and an ability to predict market movements. For years, successful trading has been the domain of seasoned experts with years of experience and a deep understanding of market dynamics. These professionals have honed their skills through countless hours of analysis and trading, often relying on intuition as much as data. AI is changing this paradigm. The advent of artificial intelligence in finance is revolutionizing how we approach trading and investment strategies. AI-powered trading algorithms are transforming the investment landscape. These algorithms can process vast amounts of data at lightning speed, making decisions based on patterns and trends that might be invisible to the human eye. These intelligent systems analyze vast data sets in real time, identify patterns, and execute trades with speed and precision that surpasses human capabilities. They can adapt to changing market conditions, continuously learning and improving their strategies. The result? Consistent returns with minimized risks. Investors can now achieve stable growth in their portfolios, benefiting from the advanced analytics and rapid execution that AI provides. Platforms like CryptTouch AI are at the forefront of this revolution, offering automated trading algorithms for cryptocurrency markets. These platforms leverage AI to navigate the highly volatile and fast-paced world of digital currencies. Imagine earning up to 7% monthly returns through arbitrage, with AI doing the heavy lifting. This level of return, once thought to be the domain of high-risk strategies, is now accessible to everyday investors. These platforms allow users to customize risk tolerance, ensuring alignment with individual financial goals. By setting parameters and preferences, investors can tailor their strategies to match their risk appetite and investment objectives, making AI-driven trading a personalized experience. The convergence of AI and blockchain technology is giving rise to a new breed of digital assets AI agent tokens. These tokens represent a stake in the future of decentralized AI, offering intriguing investment opportunities. Platforms like Virtual's Protocol, AI16Z, AIXBT, and Griffin are leading the charge. They are building ecosystems where AI agents powered by these tokens can interact, collaborate, and generate value within a decentralized framework. This fusion of AI and blockchain holds immense potential. Imagine a world where AI agents autonomously manage your finances, optimize your investments, and even negotiate on your behalf, all within a secure and transparent blockchain environment. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is disrupting traditional financial systems, offering greater accessibility, transparency, and control over our financial assets. AI is playing a pivotal role in unlocking DeFi's full potential for passive income generation. AI agents are automating complex DeFi processes, making it easier than ever for individuals to earn passive income. Imagine AI agents that automatically manage your liquidity pools, execute trades on decentralized exchanges, and optimize your yield farming strategies, all while you sleep. Platforms like Spectral Labs empower users to create and deploy their own AI trading agents, sharing in the profits generated. This democratizes access to sophisticated trading strategies previously available only to institutional investors. Section 5. AI-powered side hustles, empowering professionals with new income streams. AI isn't just for tech-savvy investors. It's creating opportunities for professionals across all industries to leverage their expertise and generate additional income streams. Physicians, for example, can harness AI in several ways. AI-powered investment platforms can help doctors grow their wealth passively, freeing up time and mental bandwidth to focus on their patients. Additionally, physicians can leverage their medical knowledge to develop AI-powered digital health tools, addressing unmet needs in the healthcare industry. This intersection of AI and professional expertise opens up exciting possibilities for those seeking to diversify their income, expand their skill sets, and future-proof their careers. Section 6. The rise of the AI content creator. Content is king, and AI is its new queen. The rise of AI-powered content creation tools is empowering individuals to build online audiences and generate passive income streams through blogs, YouTube channels, and social media platforms. Physicians, with their specialized knowledge, are uniquely positioned to leverage these tools. Imagine AI assistants generating engaging blog posts and scripts for educational YouTube videos, simplifying the content creation process and amplifying their reach to a wider audience. This democratization of content creation allows professionals to share their expertise, build thought leadership, and monetize their knowledge in ways that were previously unimaginable. Section 7. Looking ahead. AI's trajectory in passive income by 2025. The pace of AI development is relentless. Every year, we witness groundbreaking advancements that push the boundaries of what AI can achieve. From machine learning to neural networks, the evolution is rapid and transformative. By 2025, we can expect even more sophisticated AI-powered trading algorithms capable of analyzing complex market data and identifying profitable trading opportunities with even greater accuracy. These algorithms will not only enhance the efficiency of trading, but also minimize risks by predicting market trends with unprecedented precision. The integration of AI and blockchain will deepen, leading to the emergence of new AI agent tokens and decentralized applications that further automate passive income generation. This synergy will create a more secure and transparent financial ecosystem, where transactions are faster and more reliable. We can anticipate the rise of AI-powered financial advisors, providing personalized investment advice and portfolio management to a wider audience. These advisors will leverage vast amounts of data to offer tailored financial strategies, making sophisticated investment tools accessible to everyone, not just the wealthy. The future of passive income is intelligent, automated, and accessible to all. With AI-driven tools, individuals will be able to generate income effortlessly, allowing them to focus on other aspects of their lives while their investments grow autonomously. The question is, are you ready to embrace it? As we stand on the brink of this technological revolution, the opportunities are vast, and the potential for growth is immense. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Section 8. Embracing the AI revolution, a call to action. The AI revolution is upon us. It's time to embrace the change, adapt, and thrive. Start by educating yourself about AI and its potential for passive income generation. Explore the platforms and technologies discussed in this essay. Experiment with AI-powered trading algorithms, invest in promising AI agent tokens, and consider how you can leverage AI to automate your finances and generate new income streams. The future belongs to those who are willing to embrace the power of AI. Don't be left behind. Join the movement, empower yourself with knowledge, and unlock the transformative potential of AI for a future of financial freedom. Section 9. Conclusion: AI, the catalyst for a future of financial freedom. The convergence of AI, blockchain, and DeFi is creating an unprecedented opportunity for individuals to achieve financial freedom through passive income. AI is not just a technological advancement, it's a catalyst for societal change, empowering us to break free from traditional work paradigms and design our own financial destinies. As we venture further into the age of AI, it's our responsibility to harness its power responsibly, ethically, and for the benefit of all. The future of passive income is bright, intelligent, and full of possibilities. Let's embrace it together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates.